What's up, fellas? Hey, you know where John is, Dave?
Huh?
You know where John is?
I have no idea.
What the hell?
I've seen him all day. Get me out of here!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Get me out of here!
You alright there, bud?
Hey. I've been in here for ages.
Ages, I tell you.
Bro.
Ages.
Ages. Alrighty, guys. Let's be honest here. Alright? I've been in the trunk of this car for ages waiting for us to start the build on this GR86, also known as Mike's GR86. Today, we have what will be the first step to doing a full build on the car, and that is a Visconti tuning flex fuel kit. As you guys know, if you've watched any of our Toyota GR Corolla videos, I am not the most technically inclined when it comes to working on cars. That's why we got Dave over here. Today, Dave is going to be walking you through and giving you a little install and review of the Visconti flex fuel kit on the GR86. Without further ado, let's get into the install and the review. So to start it off, Mr. David, can you explain to the audience what we have here?
An ethanol content sensor or flex sensor. It has plug and play lines for the Gen 2 BRZ GR86 and a nice Visconti tuning bracket. We have the Zytronics ECA2 with the CAN bus feature. So this allows us to get the signal from the sensor into the ECU where Ecutech race ROM can read it. Comes with a nice plug and play harness. The website says 10-minute install.
We're gonna have to start a timer. I opted for the blue ethanol content gauge, so we're gonna have to mount this somewhere in the interior. What's the first step?
First step is you got to take your hammer and disconnect your fuel pump assembly.
Why do you disconnect the fuel pump assembly?
So on a lot of cars, what you can do is just pull the fuel pump fuse. Problem is, I don't know which fuse is the fuel pump fuse. So what I've done is unbolted the rear seat bottom behind the driver's seat, and we're just gonna go straight into the fuel pump hanger and just disconnect it and try to start the car.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we just want to not have pressure in these lines.
Dave likes drip, not spray.
Merch coming soon.
First step, there's one bolt here. It's already going. Take this thing out. Toyota has this fetish with gluing the fuel pump hanger cover on. I don't know why. I'm just gonna pry that right up.
They like glue.
Pick your favorite hammer. Try not to distort it too much.
Gee whiz, bro.
So we just need to disconnect this. All right. Just one wire to the fuel pump assembly. We're gonna place this back on temporarily. And we're gonna try to start the car. Oh, it started.
Really?
Oh, I don't know. Won't run long. That's it. No more fuel pressure.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Damn.
Next step.
Next step. Wait, start the timer, John. Start the timer.
Oh,
no.
yeah.
10 minutes.
Dave, hold on. Hold on.
Boss! Boss!
Hands off. Hands up. In 3, 2, 1.
I think I have enough time to take a nap.
My job here will be the official timekeeper.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Mechanic John.
Mechanic John, baby.
At your service.
These guys for our wiring connector. So it's gonna mount kind of like right there. There's one thing I noticed with this kit, there's no instructions, and there's no instructions on the website yet. They have everything for Gen 1 FRS, BRZ, but nothing for Gen 2.
So the question is it really gonna take 10 minutes?
Dun, dun, dun.
If you guys are new to the channel and you're new to watching this video, make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button. If you guys haven't watched the videos on this car before. We made a couple videos earlier this year. We made a video about putting an HKS catback exhaust on it. We also made a video about putting this nice Perrin intake, as well as, you can kind of see it peeking through down there. We got some nice equal length headers that really make this thing crackle and pop. Along with the flex fuel kit, I wanted to mention to you guys, because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in getting a flex fuel kit for your GR86 or BRZ. And if you guys want to tune for it and you guys want to start running some ethanol stuff, reach out to me on Instagram at John_Farrow. We can set you guys up with a nice flex tune for your car. We've done flex tunes from all the way to stock to what we have here, which is the full header back exhaust and everything. But seriously, if you guys are interested in getting a tune or anything, or have any questions, you can either leave them down in the comments on this video or reach out to me on Instagram. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys.
Oh, we're almost done. Let's go. Good job, Dave.
What do we got for time?
9:20.
Oh my God.
Aren't you done, Dave?
Yeah, I'm definitely done.
Little performance dry, you know? You gotta get the good old performance dry going. I know what we're gonna do. You guys see that GR Corolla motor over there on the stand?
Let's go right into it.
If this goes in the exhaust port holes, both of you owe me a nickel. Oh, dude, that was so close,
Oh
bro.
my
Dave, did you
God.
see that? Huh? Did you see that, bro? I almost made it. Oh. Alrighty. Bring it in here close, everybody. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Too close, too close, too close. So, we're on the driver's side of the engine bay right now. And if you want to come in here, we can kind of give you guys the lowdown of where all the lines go and everything. You're gonna use this nut that is actually part of the bracket for the ABS kit. And you're gonna slide the bracket off of your flex fuel sensor, and it's gonna go behind that, and then you're gonna use the same bolt. You're gonna use, this is a stock fuel line, and you're gonna give them this look right here. So you're gonna pick the fuel line that is in the back of that bracket or that plastic clip. You're gonna pick the back one. The back one's gonna be routed up, over, and to the ethanol kit. You're gonna go through the ethanol kit, and then you're gonna get the fuel line that Visconti sent with you in the kit, the corrugated one. It's gonna come around, it's gonna go underneath this AC line, and it's gonna go to the back. There we go. It's gonna go to the back port. Bring it over here for the wiring. It gives you kind of reroute. It has a reroute for this clip, and there's a bigger clip behind it. And then the little clip on the dongle goes into the ethanol content sensor. This stuff is routed. What we did is we routed it up, zip tied it to this fuel line, routed it back, coiled it in this corner, and then that comes to this box. From this box, we have the gauge wire, which is this thin one. That runs up, over, all the way back, and then down into a little hole. Can you see that hole down there?
Yeah, not really.
There's a little grommet hole right below the clutch master cylinder that we actually used for some lights, some little pod lights in a previous video. But that is a stock location that's on everybody else's car. So you can use that grommet hole, you pop it through, and then you can run the line in for the gauge. And then what Dave is doing right now is just getting the gauge kind of set up. You think there's gonna be a solid area? Like there's no mounting spot for that, or no? No. I know you guys can't hear Dave, but what David said was, no, there isn't really a mounting spot, but we might use some like double stick tape or get one of those fancy ones that goes in your air vent. One of the ones that just
like the
repurposes your air vent and gives you a little gauge pod right in your air vent. Pretty simple install. Let's give her the old time check because Dave is basically done.
Almost 10 minutes. Pretty close.
Yeah, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, not really, that's one and the same. But clearly you guys will be able to install it faster now because you have this video to kind of go off of. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you. From here on out, if you guys don't recall, if you guys are new, this car was actually previously tuned on about like an E65 blend, which was kind of the best that we could get last winter-ish. We tuned the car in probably April or May of 2023 on some E65. I ran it on E60, E65 for about 4 months, and then we just turned it back to 91. So we already have a good ethanol map. So what Dave is gonna do is just go back. We're gonna put it on the dyno maybe tomorrow. We are going to kind of fix the map, make sure it's scaled correctly. We're gonna get as close to E85 as possible. We have some Renegade Pro E85, some more like race gassy, pure E85. And we have some in a can that we're gonna put in here once we can get all the 91 out. And then we'll tune it on that, get the maximum horsepower we can get on E85. And then what we'll do is we'll just index the map from there. No, we don't got no leaks cut. We don't got no leaks cut.
Ain't got no leaks in it.
Ain't got no leaks in it. Yeah, you're good.
So it's saying we have about a 2 to 3% ethanol mixture.
Got a damn monkey out here.
Someone's zoo lost a monkey.
Are we good?
I mean, yeah, if it's not leaking, no, we're good.
We're good.
That's it.
That's it. That's it, baby. That's it. 30 minutes. Just got to make sure the hood's clear. I think it's time to go drift.
Like it or love it, it's double or nothing. You ain't getting money, then nigga you bucket. Them ass fat, you know I'm gonna hug it. Lost by the truck, fuck up the budget. Catching it damn I'm gonna chuck it. Lean, all the dust. If it ain't moolah, we cannot discuss it. Her name is Erica, she finna bust it. Her name ain't Megan, but yeah, she a style. You know where to be trusting, and I ain't telling you. New chain bustin', pick the medallion. Throw your truckers out by the gallon. Her name ain't Erica, she finna suck. Her name ain't Ruby, she got a big mouth. Putting it dead, she sticking it down. Putting it dead, she sticking it down. She like sauce and running her home, just like a gun. I step in the eye, only you know what I'm rapping. So yeah, dressing up blessings coming, you know that we destined. I gotta love it in there, how you send us the budget. She wanna suck in my hands on her waist, she tell me don't touch
triple.
it.
A triple and a half. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so good. I freaking love this car, man. It is so freaking awesome. But I think that'll be it. We've had our fun. I smoked off about half the tires. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video and if it was all informative at all, we'll kind of give you an update once we get some more E85 in it and kind of run it on the dyno again, get you some real numbers, see what actual real E85 can do. And we do have a little bit of surprise coming. If you guys are this far in the video, that means you're here to stay. That means you probably have hit that subscribe button already and you have liked the video, because who doesn't like stuff like that? And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think that we have a turbo kit in this car's future coming to the channel soon. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow us along for all the crazy stuff that we do. The Corolla videos are coming in hot. We're about a week away until we get that thing back on the road. So look forward to that. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys next time. Peace!